time for the Frankenstein ride, which I heard is dope. It looks incredible.
Come closer, little lab rats. Come close. I won't hurt you. Yes.
Sorry.
He says he won't hurt us.
I sense fear in your hearts. You're right to be afraid. Darkness lies ahead. Now is the time to abandon hope.
I am Igor. My job is to get you through this experiment in one piece. But Igor, I hear you say, where's the fun in that? I agree, you delightful freak. Sadly, this is not that kind of experiment. This is fun, yes?
You chosen few will witness my greatest discovery yet. Together, we will finish what my great-grandfather started. They called Henry a monster. They were afraid of what he had done. But you will see. There's nothing to fear. Show them.
What's Doctor?
Lower the lights, quickly. Now. These people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. For years, I have studied and controlled the monsters that prowl the darkness. And only one remains. I will control my ultimate challenge. Count Dracula. Calm yourself! That wasn't us.
Silence, creature. I will destroy you and everything.
These two just don't get along. The Dracula experiment is the last piece of the puzzle. And with your help, the world will never see the name Frankenstein the same again. Open the doors!
Don't worry. Oh, you're gonna love this.
Brace yourselves and witness my masterpiece, Dracula, under my control. Now, activate the machine. Wait, something's wrong. Igor, he's loose. Dracula is escaping.
I will set the nightmares free. For you, my brothers. Now feed!
Doctor, what is it? You're not gonna like this.
They're out! They're all out! Even the really ugly one!
Ha! Don't let anything touch you.
Dr. Means, Isa. Thank you for coming. Now, only good reviews, yeah?
The animatronics on that ride were massive and so advanced. 10 out of 10. Easily. Amazing ride.